So how do you decide to view the mobile version of a page in a site, list, or library? The great news is that SharePoint 2013 can automatically detect almost all the different mobile browsers out there and automatically show the appropriate view among the full screen, contemporary, or classic views. This detection is based on a configuration file known as the browser definition file that is included as part of the SharePoint 2013 installation. This file contains the full list of browsers and their version, both desktop and mobile, and the capabilities in terms of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript version supported, as well as other settings. Whenever a browser connects to the SharePoint site, it sends what is called a user agent string to the site. SharePoint then compares the user agent string against the browser definition file and redirects to the appropriate view. You have the capability of turning this feature off for individual sites if you do not wish a site to have mobile capabilities. By doing this, anyone using a mobile device to access the site will see only the desktop view. If you wish to see what the mobile view of a site or page looks like, but do not have a mobile to test it out, you can simulate the mobile view on a desktop browser as well. There are two ways this can be done. The first is to use the built-in developer tools of Internet Explorer 10 or 11 on your PC. Browse to the SharePoint site using the browser and then press F12. This loads the developer tools. Browse over to the Emulation tab and in the User Agent string drop-down, select the browser from among the many different ones available. You can also use the display properties of orientation, which has landscape or portrait as options, and resolution to change the way the page is displayed to simulate many different combinations of browser, screen size, and orientation. There is another way to get to see the mobile view as well. This always displays only the contemporary view for the site. All you need to do is append the query string mobile equals 1 at the end of the URL to the SharePoint site. This will then switch to the mobile view of the current page, as well as any page you browse to. Note that the top right menu in this view allows you to switch back to the PC view along with other contextual actions you might have.